What's up guys, Leo here. So you guys know how it is. I declare this car under construction now. So I started the video for the diff, still not done, in progress. Also started the video for the tie rods in progress, whatever. And now I'm starting this video for the exhaust. I ordered a new exhaust because this one's all rusted up. What they did was trash on there, so I ordered a new exhaust, so I'm waiting on that. And yeah, so now I'm taking off the heat plates for it. And yeah, look at this. This shit got stuck in there. That's how rusted it is. The socket just broke through it and it got stuck in there. Whatever they did to this exhaust is fucking trash, man. Everything's rusted. I don't know if that's from factory, but I know the muffler delete is trash. Okay, I need a screwdriver. So, as I'm taking off the... That's not gonna fall. As I'm taking off the plates, the heat shields, or whatever the fuck they're called, the last two bolts, the heads broke. That's how bad rusted they are. So I'm gonna show you guys me trying to take freaking ply it out of there. So yeah, there we go. Look at that. Look at how rusted and ugly this shit fucking is, dude. I'm about to just cut the fucking exhaust. Done with them. Done with the fucking rusted ass bolts. Done with it. Just gonna cut it. Keep the stainless steel stuff, and that's it. In the process of cutting the exhaust, one tip is out. Other tip is coming out as well. Let me show you guys the whole mess that we have down here. Metal shavings, fucking rubber. I cut this is about to come out, this is gonna come out next, and then the rest of it with the sway bar so we can take out the differential eventually. It's a mess, but yeah, let's keep on going. I'm making like 3 videos at the same time because I'm doing everything at the same time. That shit came off, the other tip came off. All that shit's rusted as fucking garbage. Now I'm gonna try to take out, like, I guess the mid pipe section and the Y, and that's it. We're gonna leave it like that until the exhaust comes in and put it back on. So I guess I'll catch you guys whenever the exhaust gets here.
8 hours later.
Guys, so I was just chilling here. I was doing some stuff to the car, taking off the bump stop for the wheels, and as I'm sitting here waiting, look at what showed up. So let's open it up and show you guys. Alright, so here's the only part that I'm gonna be installing right now, because I still need to put in the diff to be able to put the rest of it. But I'm gonna show you guys. This is the muffler, right? Tip, yep. Then this is like the mid pipe section that connects to this, and as you guys can see, it's a true dual exhaust all the way through, except for right here. I think there's an H pipe or whatever it's called. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be installing today, just the Y pipe section, and obviously in the rest of the video you guys will see the rest, but right now this is the Y pipe. First things first, like I said, it came with all the hardware, but on whatever they did to this car previously, I don't know if this from factory or not. Let's get here. If you guys can see, these bolts are still in there. I don't know if they'll come out. We'll see right now. If not, I guess I don't know what I'll do. And boys, so the city people just came, guys, and they told me that my car couldn't be on Jackson's, boy. Woo! I'm gonna show them. Nah, I'm just kidding. So, well, yeah, they did come or whatever. I talked to them, whatever. Point is, let's get to the exhaust. 4 bolts for the front, 2 gaskets right here, and then obviously keep going throughout the back, and hopefully I'll get it done today so I can drive this car. Let's get to it. I don't know if you guys want to see this, but I'm just gonna time lapse it because I don't feel like talking. I feel like just getting it done. So let's do that.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want.
Never celebrate too early, but I am so happy. I think that was the hardest part, and I know I didn't show all of it because it is such a pain, guys. The fucking heat shields that's everywhere in this car is unbelievable. But whatever, we got it done. We put on the resonators. Now we're gonna put on the mid-pipe section and then the mufflers. I don't want to celebrate too early, but I'm so excited, guys. I mean, I'm guessing some of you know what I'm talking about, but Jesus.
Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose, cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose, cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
If I look like a bum, whatever. Not for the mufflers. Almost done, guys. Oh my god, this is exciting, man. I haven't been this excited in a while. You guys knew I had to go for the burnt tips, right? Just like in the Cobalt, bro. Burnt tips. That means you're spitting fire. That's all it means. If you have burnt tips, it means that your car spits fire. JK, I know it doesn't, but you know, whatever. Alright guys, so the mufflers are on. Tips, great. There they are. Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. I love how it looks. It looks so aggressive. I didn't record because I had my mom help me hold them up. Because I couldn't get them in the hangers all by myself. So that's why I didn't record, because my mom was here. But yeah, so let's get like a cold start, right? See if there's any leaks, if I hear anything weird. It's not really a cold start, it's more like an ice start or some shit, because this car hasn't been turned on in forever. So it had a leak on the right muffler. It had a little bit of a leak, so I just went ahead and I fixed that. It was just because the gasket was a little bit off, but I just went ahead and fixed it, and now I'm gonna check it again. It's all done. Car's on the ground now, as you can see. So exhaust video is done. Please leave a like and a comment if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more fun videos that are definitely coming now. And yeah, next will probably, well, not next, but sometime in the near future will be the tie rods. I saw them sitting right there, so they're coming, don't worry about it. Yeah, and guys, stay in your lane.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry.